Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Ricky Detailing. Here's a video of all the products I use, and from leather cleaners to waxes to pretty much everything. Yeah, so this is all the products I use that I've been using for a long time, except for a few soaps I change here and there. So we're gonna start off with wax off. This is the first one. We'll start off with the wax I use. I love this thing. This is one of the first products I ever bought on Amazon. I bought them for, I'm not sure what the price is, but I will include it in the screen somewhere around here. Love this. It's just such an easy wax to use. It gives a nice little gloss. Made in the US. It's not that very expensive either. You could use this on boats, motorcycles, RVs, anything. And this one, when you rinse a car after you had scrubbed it down and everything, your process, what you do, you can spray some on, let it sit for a little bit, and spray it off. It works. Doesn't say you can do it, but it works. Because once the drying process comes, you can dry it with the wax. Kind of helps a little bit, gives it that nice little deep gloss. But yes, this is the first product. It's very hard to leave any streaks, any type of stains. I haven't used it really in high heat. I used it directly in the sun, but nothing too crazy. Very recommended wax for the price. Very good. If you go on Amazon, it has very good reviews also. Now I'm gonna move on to the next product. We're gonna mix it up a bit. 3D, all in one. 3D one step paint corrections for all my people that are learning and trying to do details. This is a good way to start. Good and easy way to start. I think this is water. I think this is water based, so it's very hard to burn the paint. It doesn't get hot very easy. I use this with the DA. I actually just bought the Max Shine M9, not sure, but their Pro version, and I use the Euro wool pad, finishing and cutting pad. Works good, but I think it works better with the Chemical Guys orange pad. Best combo ever. It leaves amazing results. I can't complain. I keep using this. This is like my 4th bottle. Very highly recommended. Now we're gonna move on to the Tire Shine. This one's a little bit on the higher price. I'll put all the prices on the screen because right now I just can't remember the price off the top of my head. I haven't really tried. I tried a few things. I actually tried 3D's tire, speed tire, I think it's called. It's a type of cream. I tried that already, but it's not, how do I say, it's not time efficient. It works good, but this spray, this one that I use, is from Car Guys Tire Shine. This is amazing. This, I had bought it before COVID hit. When COVID hit, I couldn't use it. It just wasn't available on Amazon for some odd reason. Maybe they just stopped manufacturing it. But this is an amazing product. Even for the black plastic, the trim and all that, just to give it a nice little shine, you can use it. I also use it when I do engine bay details. Amazing, nice flat look. If you want a flat look, you get a glossy look. I think this one is like around the $40 range, if I'm not wrong. It's a whole gallon. Don't dilute it. Amazing. A little bit goes long ways. I still haven't tried different tire shines. I know there's some out there, but this is my go-to right now. I love this. Don't regret it. Don't mind spending that extra cash. It leaves great results. Love it, love it, love it. Soaps. All kinds of soap. pH level balanced soaps, wax and wash soaps, strip soaps. Pretty much strip soaps are the ones that leave the paint completely naked, take anything that's off of it. Costco. This wash and wax, Meguiar's. This is very watery compared to other soaps I have been using. My main to go is Meguiar's Gold Class. Oh, that I don't know what that thing has, but it leaves such an amazing gloss. I love it. This one was on sale at Costco, so I gave it a shot. Amazing, can't complain. But I don't think it's better than Go Class. It has that little spice to it compared to this one, but it works great. It gives it a nice little shine. It has wax. I think it has carnauba wax. Sure, I'm not too in depth with the items, but amazing, amazing. I think everybody wants to know what kind of tire cleaner and tire P&S brake duster. You're not supposed to dilute this. I dilute this half and half, and it works amazing. Sometimes I don't even have to touch the tire. Sometimes I do, depending how bad it is. I haven't used this straight. Haven't used it full, no dilution. This is amazing. I recommend this. This is an amazing product. As you can tell, I'm already ready now, so I gotta go pick up some more. Beautiful product, love it. Had no issues, no staining wheels, cleans tires very nice. I just can't complain. This is amazing. This is like one of the best tire and wheel cleaner I have been using. I was using before the Meguiar non-acid. It was good, but it needed that little kick to it. I think it wasn't as strong. This is non-acid too, so you guys don't have to worry about staining. But yes, love this product, can't complain, love it. Now we're gonna move a little bit into the interior. So for the interior, leather seats, Meguiar's leather cleaner. This is what I use, amazing. I just can't say anything else. I mean, this is leather cleaner, works really well. It needs a nice little finish to it too. I love this, I can't complain. Love this leather cleaner, makes life so much easier. And I recommend, if you're looking for a leather cleaner, I recommend to pick this up. It's very nice, makes your life easier. Just grab a drill brush with a nice soft brush, or brush by hand, anything that works with you. With the rag, spray some on, scrub it in, wipe it right off. Amazing. Super clean. Super clean. This product will save you money, time, and a lot of money. This is a very good product for the price. You can use, I literally use this. You have to dilute this. This is like a type of degreaser. You literally can, I use this pretty much. I could do a whole interior with this, except for glass and screens and stuff like that. I use this literally for the door jambs. I use this for the door panels. I use this for the cup holders. I use this for the seats. I can even use it for the carpet. I love this thing. This has been with me since the start of this business, and I could not say bad things about it. Maybe it won't be sometimes I have it diluted 10:1. That's what I use on the door panels. Trust me, it's not going to damage your plastic. Just dilute it correctly. And for the seats, I use 8:2, I think, a little stronger for the seats, and depending on the carpet how bad it is. But then I have a little side bottle I recommend to make another spray bottle on the side of half and half for those stubborn stains on the seats, and it works fine. Just spray that little spot, scrub it in, and it just brings it right up. Because sometimes 2 to 8, I'm not sure what the dilution ratio is, but it's a little stronger, won't do it. So you have to have that little extra boost. And also you can use this for the engine bay details. I use it half and half for the engine bay and wheel wells. Amazing. This product can do it all. It's just amazing. I can't say it enough. For the price, I'll put the price here. You can find it different. You guys want to know a secret? Go to Walmart. Boom. You won't regret it, trust me. Never had a single issue with this product. You can use it for anything. So that pretty much sums up the video. If you guys want to see more videos or you have questions, put them in the comments below. Those are pretty much the products my go-to. I love them. I have no issues with them. Never had a customer come back and say something about them. It's an amazing little combo right here. I know there's a few more things like ceramic sprays. Yes, I have the Meguiar's quick detailer. That one works pretty good. I have the P&S bead maker. That one's pretty good. Yeah, I have a few little products that I didn't go through right here, but this is kind of like the basics, I guess. The other ones go more in depth. I have more. I have more of the type of pads I use, the machines, all that. If you guys want to see that in the future, want to see more videos, just put a comment below, like, share this video. You could pretty much pick this up all yourself and do your own. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, it's nice. It's easy to work. Well, all these products are really easy to work with. There's nothing that's really hard. I think the only thing you have to dilute is the super clean. Everything else is pretty much straightforward. Even the P&S brake buster. But super easy to use. Even going down to polishes, people are very scared to do polishes. Don't be scared, it's easy. Just get the idea of it, practice it, look at videos, try a little spot, try an old car or some cars you guys don't use in the family anymore, but try it. Don't be scared, pursue your dreams, do it. If you're already thinking about detailing, do it, trust me. I waited so long to go mobile. I'm mobile now. If you guys want to see more of my setup, videos, cars I work on, I have a ton of videos on my Instagram. I'll put it right here on the screen. Enjoy. I hope you guys liked the video, and thank you so much for watching.